Welcome to the third lecture of HTML coding. So in today's lecture, we will talk about some of the code editors which we can use for HTML. There are several editors which we can use for coding purpose in HTML or other languages. But today I will talk about mainly 5 of them, which I think are best and I like them. I have personally used all of them. First of all, my favorite one is Sublime Text. Next one is Phase 5 HTML editor. Third one is Adobe Dreamweaver CC. The fourth one, brackets. Last but not the least is Notepad++. So now I will discuss 5 of them in the detail. What are some of the features and functionalities and uniqueness in all of them? I have mentioned these 5 because every one of them has some unique feature, although it depends on you that which one you want to use, but in our course we will mainly focus on Sublime Text and Notepad++, because we are doing HTML editing. So for the basic purpose we will use Notepad++, and on a bit advanced level we will switch to Sublime Text editor. Now let's see each one in the detail. Talking about Sublime Text editor, one of the main point about Sublime Text is that it has the multiple line selection option available. For example, if you want to work on multiple lines at the same time and write a code on multiple lines, then you can do this in Sublime Text editor. If you want to write a code in one line which you want in another as well, so you can do this with the option available in Sublime, which is really an advanced feature and really time saving. It is actually a multiple language editor. It can also be used for PHP, JavaScript, and other languages as well. One of the feature which I like the most is the multiple color scheme option available. In Sublime Text Editor, you will see the multiple color scheme of different codes, which is really attractive and really amazing. You will not get bored while using the Sublime Text Editor. Another thing about it is that it is cross-platform. It can also be used on Mac, Linux, and other operating systems as well. Lastly, it is having an option of auto-save and auto-completion. While you are working, you can automatically save your work by clicking an option and then do your work. So it will automatically save your work. An auto-completion option is also available. When you write a code, it have the option to autocomplete or give you some suggestion regarding different codes. So it's really amazing, and in my opinion, one of the top coding editor for HTML. The next one is Phase 5 HTML editor. This is basically a German made HTML editor and a really popular one, but the thing is that it is only compatible with Windows users. You cannot use it on other platform. It support different languages, so it is also a multilingual editor. The main point about Phase 5 HTML editor is that it has a great menu management. That's why I have mentioned in my tutorial, because it's really awesome menus management and really easy to use. So when you use it, you will really like it. Next is Adobe Dreamweaver CC, and this is my next favorite editor for coding. There are some advantages of using Adobe Dreamweaver. First of all, it has the forms, feedback support, and social media support when you are using them. For example, when you are stuck in some code or doing some project, then you can ask for help on different forums, feedback supports, and social media platform. It's actually linked with Adobe Dreamweaver, so it gives you that option. Another point about Dreamweaver is that you can do bootstrap integration as well. It means that you can develop responsive designs using Adobe Dreamweaver CC. And if we talk about responsive designs, then almost all the designs on website which are residing over there are responsive. So nowadays people don't like non-responsive sites because you have to use it on mobile, iPads, and other devices as well. The next important point is about Adobe Dreamweaver is that it has having a multi-monitor support. It means that while you are working in Adobe Dreamweaver, you can see your design and your coding screen at the same time. On the one hand, you are working and writing a code, and the other side you can see what the design it gives you. So it's really easy to use and see your work simultaneously. Lastly, it is also a multilingual software, so work for other languages as well. Another software for coding which I like is Brackets. There is a reason that I have mentioned Brackets. It have the unique feature which I think other softwares for coding or editing doesn't have. First of all, it is open source. You can free download it from net and use it. It is having a multiple platform support. You can use it on different operating systems. It is actually unique among the editors because of the one reason, and it is that suppose you have a PSD file, someone give you a PSD file and ask you to convert it to HTML or design. So through Brackets you can do that. You can extract the fonts, colors and CSS design from that PSD file through Brackets. So it's really an amazing feature in Brackets, and you will really like it. Last editor which I want to talk about and which we will use in this course with Sublime is Notepad++. This is an advanced version of Notepad. It have some features which the previous version was unable to provide. It has the multiple documents and multiple tabs option available. You can even open a full-fledged project in Notepad++, multiple tabs as well. So it has the features and advanced functionalities which the previous Notepad version don't have. It is also having auto completion option available. It gives you suggestions like Sublime Text Editor, but you know it is explicitly used for Windows. It's just for Windows. Now we will actually jump to Google Chrome, and I will teach you that how you can download Sublime Text Editor and Notepad++. So if I talk about Sublime Text Editor, then you should go to the Google and type Sublime Text Editor and click enter. So you will get a site www.sublimetext.com. You just need to click on this site, and there is an option that download for Windows. Simply click it, and now it will start downloading. So I am downloading it through IDM. Now it will take some time in order to complete the download process, so we will wait for it. I'm just telling you that how you can download the Sublime Text Editor. Later in the course, in different projects, we will use Sublime Text Editor. So here it's complete. Let me open the file and install it in my PC. You just need to next it, and then next, and install. So it will simply install on your PC, and it's really lightweight, but it has having really advanced features. So it's finished. Now let me go to the start menu, and let me see. So it's Sublime Text 3. I guess it's the advanced version. So I have already opened a project in Sublime Text Editor. You can see the color coding scheme. It's really attractive. So from here, from file, you can select new file, open an existing file. For example, I want to open a new file, so new file has been created. If I want to select or open an existing file, then it will redirect to your PC and you can open a file. You can even open a full project. Or for example, if I want to, for example, if you want to use this project, then I can select this and select the option. So it's open in new window because this project is already opened with me. There are different options which we will cover later in the course, but I am just giving you an overview of Sublime Text Editor. For now, I am closing it, and I'm just going to Google, and let me tell you how to download Notepad++. So you can simply type Notepad++ and enter. So here it will take you to a site. When you click it, there are actually different versions of Notepad++ available. When you come down, there are old versions. When you go up, you will see the advanced versions. So let me download the Notepad++ 7.8.9 because it's an advanced version. So let me click it on it, and there are two options available. Either you want to download it for 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating systems. So it depends on your PC. I have 64-bit operating system, so let me download it for my PC. You should simply click the installer button, and it will start downloading. For now, I am skipping the download because I have already downloaded it. So I will not go for the download process, but I was actually telling you that how you can download it. So stay tuned, guys. I will see you in the next lecture. And so we will use these two editors in the upcoming lectures for different projects. In this course, I will cover different projects and coding through these two editors, that is Notepad++ and Sublime Text. Take care. Bye for now.